Hello fam, welcome back to another tutorial. In that tutorial is just gonna be really fun and really helpful and effective to you. So on your wedding photo, on the photo you want to delete someone or you want to delete any kind of object, and that's really easy. You can do it just one click, and I'm really don't take you a long time for cleaning out for the introduction. So what are you waiting for? Let's do that. So first of all we have to take our image. So for example we have this image. So in here that's our image, and this we have to first, when we just want to remove this one. So this girl I want to remove. So on our photo, so we don't want this object. So this girl we don't want to this object on this photo. So how to remove it? So there we can do it really in easy way in one click. So that's really easy. I'm just going to show you one by one. So first of all we have to unlock this layer option. Just unlock it. When you just unlock the layer, first of all we have the lasso tools. So for making it really easier and rushed, so we can use the lasso tools. So first of all we make this two part. Okay, so like just click it, and select this girl one, and in a one click. And so first of all then go to select, and then go to modify, and again select, then modify, then expand, expand. So in here you just expand by 30 pixel, and so you can put it your own pixel amount, so it doesn't matter to you. So then okay. So when you feel this okay, it will be selected on layer, and then go to edit, then edit, then content or fill. So in here you see that, so it marking is already marking our object. So when you see that, so in here there's a zooming option. You can zoom it and zoom in, zoom out. So you see that our object is removed. So you can see that our object is no more in here. So and also there's a main main easy thought in, there's no more and also it also added the background. So it's really easy, and you can do it really one click, and you don't need to hire any editor or anything. So you can do it in your photo. You can apply it in your photos if you have the Photoshop. So that's really easy method. And when you just click this okay, so it's a make another layer. You see that, so we have this layer. So you see that, so this is the layer. So you see that this is our main layer, and that's the another layer. So it's a really make a really interesting thought, and it just make another perfect layer. So then we just make it perfect, crop it. So in here some shadows in here. So for this a perfect edition, and then enter. So you see that, so it's a perfectly done. So that's our main photos. So that's the main photos, and we make this remove an automatic background. So that's really easy and interesting process. And okay fam, and I think if you have any confusion, so please subscribe. And if you want to learn Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or Adobe Animate or any kind of software, so you can visit my channel. So in here all the courses will be available. I'll share to you for help. And thank you so much. Thank you for your valuable time. And if you have any confusion, you just comment down below, and let me know if you need anything. And please man, subscribe make our family bigger. So thank you so much.